You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl EISHATAYLORE. So today's video is going to be a Modelones Polygel set. This is the first time I've tried their Polygel, so I'm super excited. So this is the Halloween collection, and this Polygel is a sunlight sensitive thermal type of polygel. This is what the polygel will look like in regular lighting, and then once it's exposed to sunlight, i.e. UV lights, this is what it looks like. It gets darker. So for this nail set, I'm doing two different nail sets actually. So I'm going to be using a mixture of my Kiara Sky Jelly Tip nails, my full cover Gel X nails, along with some regular tips, the coffin size. I was just letting you know here that only 3 fingers will have the Gel X nails, and then 2 fingers will be having the tips. There's a reason why it was easier this way, but let's just get started. If you're familiar with my channel, then you've seen how I prep my nails in the past, but I use my Kiara Sky Prep and Prime along with the Builder Gel. I am buffing the 2 nails where the nail tips are going to be because I made a mistake and put Builder Gel on it. So I'm just making sure that it has no shine and roughing up the surface for the nail tips. So to apply my nail tips, I don't use glue. I'm using a rubber base to apply my nail tips. It's a lot safer for my nails in my opinion. And I'm going to just apply the nail tips using my Kiara Sky lamp. Perfectly simple and easy. And to apply the Gel X nails by Kiara Sky, I'm applying the Builder Gel to the etched nail and applying a little bit of gel as you saw there, just to make sure that the gel flows effortlessly throughout the whole nail. So I wasn't sure if this cleanser plus that came with the polygel was a slip solution, but I decided to use it anyway. But later in the video, I kind of switched and ended up using alcohol. But for this set, for the middle nail, I'm doing a lazy girl / Femi beauty method, which is applying the polygel inside of my Gel X nails and then applying the nail that way. It's just an easier way to get a full color onto your nails without having to do the long way. So as you can see, it is called the Lazy Girl / Femi Beauty Method, and I absolutely love this. I have a more detailed video on how you can do this here on my channel. I'll link it up in the cards and also in the description bar. For the 2 nails that have just a regular nail tip, I'm going to be applying the rubber base again, 2 coats just to protect my nail when it's time to remove them. Now using number 4 polygel, I'm going to be doing a color blocking. I've done color blocking before. It's not the easiest thing in the world, but I managed. So this is actually when I realized that the polygel was softer than I realized, and that the slip solution that it came with just wasn't doing it. So I ended up switching to isopropyl alcohol. And as you can see, I'm doing a slanted motion for the design. And when you pop it in the lamp, it turns into a bright orange. Gotta love it. I removed the sticky layer, and I'm using my hand file to crispen up that line so I can continue with the color blocking. And using a clear polygel, I'm going to encapsulate this nail design just because when it gets down to filing, I don't want to file the color off. So that is why I am applying clear to encapsulate. For the thumb and the pinky finger, I'm going to apply a white gel polish, and then using a black gel in a pot, I'm going to use my striping brush and apply some stripes. So y'all, I don't celebrate Halloween. Halloween's not my thing, so I had to figure out, what's Halloween-ish. And I remember seeing this from Beetlejuice, if I'm not mistaken. So for this nail as well, I'm doing like a stitching type of design. It'll come all together, I guess. Time for the second set of nails is going to be completely different, I decided. So I'm again doing the Femi Beauty Lazy Girl method of just applying the polygel inside the jelly tips. And I'm only doing halfway, applying some base coat to give my glitter something to stick to, and then applying the nails as usual. I did that for 3 of the nails. Actually, this right hand, all of them was only the Kiara Sky jelly tip nails. I didn't use any nail tips. So for the sake of time, I didn't show how I applied the stickers, but I'm using builder gel to encapsulate the nails with the stickers on them just so they don't lift. Basic top coat wouldn't let them stick down. After I apply the builder gel and cure for 30 seconds, I then remove the sticky layer with alcohol and then use a buffer to buff the nails to remove the shine and seal everything in. So this is the final look, y'all. Isn't it so cute? For someone that doesn't celebrate Halloween, this came out really, really cute. Again, I'm very surprised by the Modelones polygel, the colors, the consistency. And again, this is sunlight based, so I stuck my hand in the lamp, and this is what it looks like when it's exposed to light. So as you can see, the colors are definitely more vibrant. The purple nail seems to go back to its lighter form very, very quickly compared to the other colors. So I'm just showing, how it will look if it continues to be exposed to light. But y'all, this looks cute both in dark color and lighter color. Now for the other hand, which I kind of call like my candy hand, I guess. The glitter looks like candies. But I really enjoyed this side as well. It's very different. I was kind of going for the Dia las Mor... I don't know how to say it. I know it's like a Mexican Halloween type of thing. This was this hand. 2 different type of vibes, but I really enjoyed the set. And then this is how the nails look like when they're exposed to sunlight. Super cute. Onto this polygel. I really like this Modelones polygel. Again, this is the first time I've tried it before. The consistency is very beginner friendly. It's not overly sticky at all. It applied wonderfully with isopropyl alcohol. It didn't flood my cuticles either when I place it down, which other polygels tend to do, and it's not overly thick as well. As for the stickers, I loved that I had both colorful and black and white ones to kind of go along with any set that I was creating. I didn't know what I was going to do, but it ended up working out very well. So honestly, for someone that doesn't celebrate Halloween, these came out very good, and they're by far one of my favorite sets so far this year. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Which hand do you like better, the left hand or the right hand? Let me know in the comments. I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.